Welcome this video. Smart gas landscape design. A complete gas design a smart gardening made scene limited at first but at attach often and explode opportunity maximize create and mark make the most of even secured inch whether your work with tiny backyard, side yard or balcony or a complex country yard, a well throwing out landscape design can transforming your smart outdoor space into a relaxed structure and productive gardening or a style entertainment area. Very well, you're throwing everything you need to know about smart gardening, landscape design for plants and layout to create plants, hardscape and layout. Understanding your space. Start by meaning your gardening area. Note the last wording and high. Then sunlight. Which area get full sun, shade, or are always inside. Wind. Is your gardening productive and explode? Do waterproof any word after rain. How do people interest and more throwing the space? Ideating the proposed words. Do you want to use the gardening for some growing, relax, or medicate, entertain guest, growing vegetable, and hub, play area for kids, pop, static entertainment, enhancement, knowledge your great valve shade, design productive, design principling for smart gardening. Gardening, smart gardening is about smart decision, appear, thought landscape idea, principling. Key it's simple. Two main elements can overwhelm A smart space. Use clean line. Define zone. And limited color palette to create a scene of unit charm. Create eliminate of space. Use design trick to mark your gardening feel long. Long stone create a scene. Define mirror. Wall mirror reflection, lights and view. Expand the space. Layouts plants. Plant stand often one at the backstone, one at the first of the depend effect. Various interior. When full space is limited, think vibrant wall mounted plants. Trend for climax plants. Versatile vegetable gardening. Handbrake. Plants your layout. Zoom. Even in smart gardening define zoom effective. A smart area with a smart table and chair apart away loading to the functional like and fun train. A rustic bed, convenient gardening for effective. Use change in material like our plants type zoom without tropical wall part away. Trend space or meaning parts make the area feel long and more than suntrain part. Use material like gardening spot, trend or table focal points. Even good landscape have a focal point, functional. The eyes, the design. A smart wall functional. A structure, a string plants. A bungalow or range. Choose plants for smart gardening when space is limited, plant select become choose plants that offer multi benefit, beauty, seasoning, interior, and effective. Right plants, right place. Pick plants up to your light stone convenient in smart gardening is various than in your place set. Use plants layout. Layout plants create interior and depend. Climax tree or and perfect. Fitting growing with low gardening plants. Various use, various surface and climax. Furniture and functional. Complex furniture. Choose space safe functional like foldable chair, branch with story, built in set some as the plant's base or boundary wall, multi-functional price, a gardening branch with story underneath or table, then fold from the wall or a story that serves as a side table. All smart idea, tent space, lights, incorporating type of gardening light, sticky light for impression, solar sticky light for plant, wall movement for security and style, hardscape and material. Hardscape is the use of non plants material in landscape for structure functional space use gum long with growing in benefit create a classic area look depth for a modern look consider smart wood or compact depth is can elevate the space both hardscape bulb and fan use valve and fans not just for boundary but for various gardening like or even area fans like color for reference light depend the feel of the space valve functional Smart wall functional add a placement elements, a tabletop fontaine, a wall movement, wall a minimize peons in a long campaign. Water add movement, sounding, add a smoke atmosphere of gardening. Seasoning interior and modern main entrance. Thank you for watching this amazing video.